Here's all you need. Loop that, and I'm gonna echo out. What's going on, everybody? My name is Tony Pacheco, aka DJ Zia, and I'm going to show you guys a wordplay for this Wordplay Wednesday. Now, I saw DJ Nick Spinelli do this awesome little wordplay mix. I'm going to show it to you right now.
Shake that ass, bitch. Hands on your knees. 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 Hands on my knees, shaking ass on my thot shit. Post me a pic, finna make me a profit.
Pretty cool, right? Now, what he did is he layered Rich Baby Daddy Drake over Thot Shit, Megan Thee Stallion, and the lyrics, they hit perfectly to where the wordplay just plays out really nicely. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how he did it. What he did is he played that song at the chorus right at the beginning of your DJ intro of Megan Thee Stallion. It's super easy. All you have to do is make sure you're beat matched and you're playing the songs at the same time. And it's also super helpful to have stems in place to where you can take out the drums, the melody, the bass, all of that, to where you can actually just mix it, right? It's just super helpful to where it sounds better when you can just have lyrics layered over another backbeat, right? Now, a key thing to remember is you want to make sure each track is layered at the same BPM. Now, these songs don't exactly match. That's where this beautiful sync button comes in tune. I don't advocate for or against it. I think it's an amazing tool. Try it for yourself. It might just work out. There's amazing times to use it, and there's also times when you don't need to use it at all. So just keep that in mind. So I'm gonna go ahead and bring the track back just a hair. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna hit these three at the same time. I've MIDI mapped out my stems. And then I'm gonna press play at the same time with Megan Thee Stallion. So then that creates that little layer of music. It's a little different. They've already been hearing this song for 2.5 minutes. They've heard the chorus the original time, so now I'm going to give it to them a little differently, just the way Nick did it. Watch. Okay, full disclosure, it may not be exactly how he did it, but this will be a version of how I did it, and I hope it helps inspire you to create your own ways, so let's go for it. See, feel that? Okay. Now we're gonna slow it down. Bring it back to 65. All right, okay. Now I'm gonna loop. Here's all you need. Loop that, and I'm gonna echo out.
Shaking ass on my thot shit. Post me a pic, finna make me a profit. When the liquor hit, then the bitch get toxic.
Super easy. All you gotta do is make sure your songs are beat matched, you're layering everything correctly, and you're taking out your stems all at the right time. May have been a little rough in terms of clarity. Let me know if you guys have any questions in the comments. I'm more than happy to give you guys some better advice. Gonna try my best to get more work on these Wordplay Wednesdays, but have a good day. Hope you enjoyed it.